Behold, the elevators at some unknown building in Rehab in secondary Cairo. And wow, a Schindler. We're going to 5. I never seen this Schindler elevator before. It's vintage. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 5. Nope, Schindler elevator. Let's see if this one works. That one doesn't work, but this one does. This one works? Oh, that one works. No problem. Back to 0. Now we get our cab view. Man, this cab is vintage. I just love this cab. Use the mirror. Hello. Stick it. Use your phone button here. Phone right there. And capacity is about 535 kilograms. 1. You're a 0. I sure like those touchscreen fixtures though on the Schindler elevator. I have no idea what that is. Sure like these touchscreen fixtures. We gotta push it hard, you know. It's close with your thumb. That's it.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.